NaHCO3, baking soda or sodium bicarbonate. It eliminates odor everywhere that you put it. Some persons put it in the refrigerator. Some persons put it in the cat's litter box. Other persons use it to wash their shoes. Other persons use it to wash their hair or their clothes. This is the Learning Academy. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Our focus today is on the multi-purpose baking soda. Baking soda can be used to wash your hair. It will make it gorgeous and shiny. All you need to do is sprinkle a small amount of baking soda into your hands and then add your favorite shampoo and then massage this into your hair. Baking soda can be used to remove hair color. It can also be used to cleanse your hands. You can basically gently use baking soda as a natural hand scrub, and it removes dirt and odor from your hands. It can be used to wash smelly sneakers. It can be used to soak your feet or basically give you a nice relaxing bath, which would be very good for your skin. It can be used as a deodorant. Yes, you can basically apply it under your arms to feel fresh daily. Also, you can use it to remove the residue of deodorant from your underarms. Baking soda can also be used as a facial exfoliator and a body scrub. So this will give you soft, smooth, and healthy looking skin, and basically give you a facial and a body scrub that is invigorating and that will basically help you to shed or remove dead skin. You can also use it to clean your brushes and your combs. Baking soda is sometimes included in toothpaste, so it is good if you are trying to whiten your teeth. Get some baking soda. You may also want to use it to clean your teeth. Basically, just get your toothbrush and place it in the baking soda with a little water and then brush with it and rinse your mouth, and you will feel so fresh and clean. It is good for preventing the development of cavity as well. It can also be used to freshen your mouth. So if you don't have a mouthwash, you can basically use baking soda and warm water to rinse, and basically it will eliminate mouth odors. It can also be used to fix your sore throat. So you can basically use it as a gargle at least twice a day, and then it will help to relieve that problem. It is also very good for relieving itchy skin, and it can also be used to alkalize your water so that you can use it to add to your drinking water, and then it will help you to feel better. It reduces sunburn and it also relieves heartburn. It helps you to feel better when you're doing exercises. It helps your body to feel a little bit stronger and perform better. It can be used to wash your eyes. So if your eyes are feeling itchy or they feel like they're swollen, you can take some warm water, add some baking soda, and then you are good to go. You just wash your eyes twice for the day, and it will leave your eyes and will help your eyes to be clean and for your eyes to be healed of whatever is causing the itch to be in your eyes and help it to heal quicker. You can throw baking soda in your garbage bags, right, to keep odors down. You can also put it in your refrigerator so it can absorb the odors in the refrigerator and keep the refrigerator fresh. You can use it to wash your laundry, whether it's for children or for yourself. You can use it to throw in your diaper bags as well. You can use it to bathe your baby, to keep your baby's skin smooth and to eliminate rash or any heat rash that it may have or any skin issues that they may develop. And adults can use it as well. Use it to clean the baby's toys or any stuffed animals that they have, to clean their little combs, on brushes as well, and it can also be used to wash their bottles. Baking soda is very good for cleaning, whether it's your bathroom sink or your toilet or your shower. You can use it to do that. You may also add it to your washing machine when you're doing your laundry. You can also use it to clean your silver utensils, or if you have gold utensils, you can use it to clean it. You can use it to clean stainless steel. So if you have stainless steel appliances, or just basically the stainless steel sink in your bathroom, you can use it to clean it, and it will remove any rust, and it will remove any residue, maybe any chlorine residue. You can also use it to clean like your kettle and your pots. It will help to remove the chlorine residue from that as well, and break down any residue that is in it and make it very shiny. It will also help to remove stains, and it freshens your closet, and it keeps your clothing clean and fresh as well. Everything in the kitchen and the bathroom can be cleaned using baking soda. So you can clean your plastic containers, clean your dishes with it, polish your silver with it as well. You can also use it to soak your sponges to keep them clean and fresh. It can help to relieve the issue of washing greasy dishes. You can use them to clean your glassware, and you can use them to deodorize your cutting boards. That's very important. It can also be used to clean your pots and your pans. You can throw it down into the sink to eliminate the odor coming from the sink as well. You can pour it also in the drainage area, the outside, the external drain. That will also help to relieve any odors that you may have. You can use it to clean your dishwasher. You can use it to put in your refrigerator. You can use it to clean your microwave. The options are many. Your teapots, your coffee maker, anything that you have that you need to get cleaned, your baking soda is your perfect. Baking soda can also be used to clean igloos and coolers. It can be used to maintain a consistent level of pH alkalinity in your pool water. So basically it's pool treatment. You can also use it to clean any dirty grills that you will have around your home. Just use it as a scrubbing agent on that to remove anything. You can also use it to create a volcano. Kids normally have projects, so that is a good thing for you to try, to use it to create a project for your children. You can also use it basically to help kids to make things, fun craft items like sneakers and basically you can help them to use it to basically write in invisible ink. The options are many when it comes on to baking soda. This has been the Learning Academy. Like, comment, share, and subscribe, and try to use baking soda more often. It is very cost effective and it has many uses, and it can just basically help to keep everything in the house clean at a low cost. You can get at least 6 at a very, very low price. So try those options of baking soda today.